big rabbit. Oh, I wish I could just touch you all day. Oh, you're so soft and gentle and
Right, I'm starving. I've been working all day. I'm eating. What's that? Is that a rabbit?
You can't have him for your dinner. I've given my name and everything. His name's Big's Bunny.
I don't care what his bloody name is. I'm eating him just as soon as I get this G-string off. Huh?
What? So it's you who's been stealing all my G-strings, you dirty
Listen here. It's totally acceptable in this day and age to wear women's underwear and perfume. Look, I can prove to you, I'm a real man. I can do macho things. Watch this.
Run, Bix, run!